Here's a concise summary of the situation. As of May 19, 2025, SPLA power struggle deepens amid Macker's detention. A group of 18 senior SPLA political bureau members in Juba has rejected the interim leadership claim made by peace-building Minister Stephen KUOL. In a joint statement, they reaffirmed loyalty to detained party leader Riek Machar, declaring that no leadership change has occurred. Signatories include Interior Minister Angelina Teny and other key ministers. They labeled KUOL's April 9th move as a defection and null and void, criticizing his claim backed by President Kiir's Peace Committee on May 9th as divisive. The statement urged urgent dialogue between Kiir and Machar, demanded Macker's immediate release, and called on the African Union and UN to help revive the stalled 2018 peace agreement. SPLA members in government were urged to maintain duties while resisting intimidation. Tensions remain high following Macker's March 26th arrest over violence in Nasser. A group of 18 senior members of the Sudan People's Liberation Movement in opposition SPLA Political Bureau in Juba issued a statement Monday disowning an interim leadership faction led by peace-building Minister Stephen KUOL and reaffirming their allegiance to detained leader Riek Machar. The statement, signed by prominent figures including Interior Minister Angelina Teny, Mining Minister Martin Abuha, and Energy Minister Peter Marcello, marks the first collective response from Machar loyalists in nearly 2 months since his arrest on March 26. The group dismissed KUOL's April 9th declaration as interim chairman as null and void, insisting Machar remains the party's sole legitimate leader. It condemned KUOL's move as a defection and rejected attempts to fragment the party into factions. The rift deepened after KUOL, backed by a faction including Federal Affairs Minister Lasuba Wango, claimed interim leadership, citing the need to advance the 2018 peace agreement during Macker's detention. President Salva Kiir's backed Peace Implementation Committee endorsed KUOL's group on May 9th, further polarizing the party. The Machar-aligned bureau members also addressed the broader political crisis, urging dialogue between President Salva Kiir and detained First Vice President Riek Machar to de-escalate tensions and demanding the immediate and unconditional release of Machar and other detained SPLA leaders. The group called on international actors, including the African Union and United Nations, to pressure the government to resume stalled implementation of the 2018 revitalized peace agreement. Despite rising tensions, the statement directed SPLA members in government to continue their duties while warning against intimidation of party supporters. The SPLA Political Bureau comprises 28 members, but some have fled Juba amid fears for their security following Macker's arrest over alleged involvement in violence in Nasser on March